That will do. What the fuck? I got no reception in this place anymore. Fuck, don't fall over. I'll just put that thing on really tight. Oh well. Right, choke it. It's the Briggs, 11.5 horse. It's probably just going to spin and go. Oh, it didn't. First attempt. Blimey. But there's that problem again, bald bit on the flywheel. There you go, it should crank now. I think it wants some throttle. I'll put you over it. There she be. Spitting a lot of fuel out for some reason. And smoking a little bit as well. I like the smell of a 4-stroke rather than. It seems to be raining. That can't be good. I've had some big fuck off storm this morning, and that was about 4 hours ago, and it's already dry. I ain't complaining.